So welcome to Python tutorial. In this session, we will understand a storage class. A storage concept in Python. Suppose a equals 10 and b equals 20, right? So 10 is a value and it will be stored in heap area, and a will point address to A will point to address of 10. Similarly, 20 will be stored in heap area and B will point to the address of 20. A and B, these names will be stored in variable area. Okay. For example, to understand this storage concept in Python, just open Thorny editor. You can download it. Here suppose I am going to delete this. Okay, first how it looks, it will look like that. Then go to the view and then select stack, then go in view, select heap, go in view, select variable, right? So variable, heap and stack you can see. If you are going to write a equals 10, a equals 10, right? 10 will be stored in heap area and a will be stored in variable section, and a will point to the address of 10. Just I am going to run this and you see what is going to happen. 10 is the value which is stored in heap area and having an address of this, okay, hexadecimal, and a will be stored in variable section. You can see a, and it will point to the same address of 10. And if you are going to print this, print a and run this, okay, so here you can see 10. So in this cell you can find the output. So the agenda is to understand heap area where value 10 will be stored and its address, and variable will be stored in variable section and it will point to the address of value. So hope this will help you to understand a storage concept in Python. Say b equals 20. Now this 20 will be stored in heap area. So here you can see 20 is also in heap area, but a and b will be in variable area. If you want to write c equals 30, 30 will be stored in heap area and c will be stored in variable area. See. Now what to do? Suppose use delete c. If you will delete c, then value 30 and its associated address will be deleted. Here see, it is deleted. Similarly, if you want to delete b, you can delete b, and if you run, you will find b is deleted, right? If you want to delete a, so delete a, this time 10 will be deleted. It is deleted. Now what I am going to do, just here write value 10 and value 10. Three variables are there with value, same value 10. What will happen? Just guess it, then we'll discuss. What will happen if I am going to run this program in Thorny editor? So a, b, c, obviously they will be stored in variable section, and only one value 10 will be stored in heap section, and one address would be there. A, B, C will be pointing to same address. Now run this program. You can see value 10 is stored in heap area with this address, and A, B, C, all three will be pointing to the same address. The question is, what will happen if you are going to delete C? What will happen? So this C variable will be deleted from variable section, but heap area will be as it is, because value is already binded with A and B both. Similarly, what will happen if you are going to delete B? So B will be deleted from the variable section, but 10 value will be as it is in heap area. So run this, you will find A, right? So this will be not deleted. Now if you are going to delete A, then this 10 will be deleted. This 10 will be deleted. So this is how a storage class works in suppose A, B. A storage class works in Python. Okay, you will be getting 10, 20. So what to do? To do this practice, just download Anaconda, open Jupyter Notebook, and then download Thorny editor, and then try to understand the concept of a storage class. Hope it will help you to understand basic of storage in Python. Thank you.